Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. Today we are planning in my journal for the week of November 15th through the 21st. I am using the Seasons of Color with this beautiful large sticker. This week I felt like I needed a little bit of the bigger pieces in my planner. I'm not sure why, but that's how I felt, so that's what I'm doing. This beautiful sticker says Pumpkin Wishes and Harvest, Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes, and I'm gonna add a floral one to the other side. In case you're wondering, this is the Sophisticated Florals Vertical Classic Size Happy Planner. This serves as my creative journal where I get to write a little bit about my emotions, which I love to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a few more floral motifs. I am using the Secura Jelly Roll to go ahead and remove the lines. And then I'm just adding some florals. As you can see, this book is quite loved and used. I really enjoy using those big pieces out of there, and I remember that the similar color flowers were found in one of the Calvin Klein books. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm pulling a book from Calvin Klein and adding those florals on the bottom. They're not an exact match, but they're surprisingly well matched in color, so I'm gonna go ahead and add them. And I think it actually livens up the spread and it brings more of that orange from the other side. And now it's time for some boxes, and I'm using the Mojo Jojo Plans colorful boxes. That was her second book, and I'm just gonna apply them randomly because I like writing in those. And remember, you can always put a box horizontally even if it's made to be put vertically, so don't be afraid to do that. I'm gonna also play with some smaller boxes and layer them on top to create kind of fun effect, and I am cutting out the frames, so I'll show you in a second what I'm gonna do with that, because I ran out of this color in that size. So I do a clever little trick where I use the outline of the sticker and then I press it down, and then I will remove that black line. There we go, and then it looks like they're kind of overlapping, right? And that's really what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one more sticker up there and kind of play with layering. Like so. I think that looks great. There, one lonely little box, and I'm gonna grab another one of those oranges and layer it so it's kind of overlapping. When removing those stickers, just be very careful because their structure is so fragile. I'm gonna go ahead and add that box. Nope, I don't like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and correct it and show a bit more white. Like so. Okay, there we go, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove that line. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for spending some time with me. Have a great day. Bye.